We're here today at Ladies College Guernsey as part of the Intel and Tablet Academy AI for Youth Deep Dive programme. The point of today's session is make students aware of how AI is affecting their everyday lives, but also how AI will affect them in the world of work in the future.
We've been learning about how each AI interprets things differently and how much work goes into making the AI.
Our students are going to need to be resilient, they're going to need to be adaptable, they're going to need to be able to operate in the modern 21st century.
So what I found interesting today was learning how AI is already a huge thing in our lives. So we were asked to list all the websites or apps, things we've had to interact with our AI before.
Your challenge is to see who can come up with the most creative way to ask the AI to turn on or off the lights without using the word light.
What I like about the workshops we've had so far is the fact that they're really engaging. The buzz in the room is really exciting, and we can't do that without having the expertise, people like Simon from the Tablet Academy, but also sponsored by Intel and their backing that they have, because their worldwide programme is going to be something that we can then take and develop that further.
The reception to the activity has been fantastic. So we've combined different types of activities, so hands-on, so the students have actually created their own AI apps and have been surprised at how easy it is to do that. We've also had some unplugged activities to explain some of the more complex areas such as deep learning and neural networks, and the students have really enjoyed engaging with the different types of activities.
AI only works on instructions. It doesn't have the kind of human assumptions that the rest of us have.
It's interesting to see how the AI kind of has a perspective of the world and how it processes all the information.
Students were starting to be really engaged with new technologies, and for us as a school that's really looking at the things that they need to start to work with later on in life. We've got to change our education system to make sure that we're giving people the skills they need to succeed in the future.